Welcome to this tutorial about using Google Sheets. On the task, you can go ahead and see a spot for you to write and fill in your name. This is called a cell. You can see that it spans 3 different ones because I've merged it. Merging cells you can see is because this box is highlighted. Use this checkbox to help you keep track of all the different tasks that you will need to show and demonstrate for Google Sheets. First thing that we're going to do is insert a row above Steve Rogers, add a fake student, and then add some data for that student. So on this practice, I'm going to go ahead and I see Steve Rogers is right here. To insert a row above him, I can tap on Insert, Row Above. I can also right-click this row and see Insert One Above as well. So this one can be me. I'm going to add my name, add a fake ID. I'm going to put myself in 8th grade. Let's say on the quiz I made a 70, 99 on my test. I had 12 pieces of candy. Not too bad. These down below are called tabs, which are great ways to break up the assignments for students. Looks like I need to find the average test score, use the unique formula to see how many grades, and then find the total amount of candy. So down here, I'm going to type the word average test. Let's do total candy. And then let's just do unique levels. For formulas, you're always going to type an equal sign. And since it says average, I'm going to start typing the word average, and you'll see that it already makes a suggestion. Tap on that, and then the best thing is all you're going to do is click and drag all the way down to select all the different scores. Hit enter, and you'll see the average populates. Total number of candy, if you try to hit total, that's not really an option, but if you type sum, that'll give you it as well. And then again, click and drag all the way down. Unique levels, so equals unique. So anytime formulas need that equal sign, I'm going to tap that. And then we're just going to look at these. Very nice. It looks like I have 8, 9, and 12. So that I have 3 different unique grade levels. And those are your basics for formulas. So to freeze, I'm going to click on row 1 so it goes blue. I'm going to tap on the view menu, hover over freeze, and select row 1. So now if I try to scroll, you'll see that the first row hasn't moved anywhere. To sort test scores, I'm going to tap on column F where all my test scores are located, select data from the menu, and then hit sort sheet. So A to Z will go lowest to high, but I want highest to low. You'll see that because I sorted the sheet, all the names have also adjusted with it, so please be very careful when using that function. Now I'm going to try to create a scatter plot and then move the scatter plot to its own chart. So I'm going to select both of these columns, quizzes and tests. A couple different options for chart. If you tap on the Explore button in the bottom right, you'll see that it actually gives you some suggested information. And if you scroll below, you'll see possible charts on how to compare. Oh, look at that. They've suggested a scatter plot. So I'm going to tap on the plus sign, and you'll see that it inserted my chart. If you need to make any adjustments on your chart, just double click it and it will pop open the chart editor. I'm going to make some adjustments to the scales. So I'm going to tap on the scales, and then maybe the maximum value, I'm going to stretch it to 105. Tap on these scales, maximum value 105. So you can make any adjustments as you need. Any of the dots, you can change the color, point, and type. Tapping on any of these will change the labels. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to insert it on its own page. So I'm going to tap on these 3 dots. You can see that I can download the chart, I can publish it to the web, I can copy the chart, or move to its own sheet. And you'll see everything is in one place. If you need to edit a tab, you can just double click on the title and start typing. Now I'm going to try to copy this chart into a blank Google Doc. So the way that I'm going to do that is I can go to Drive, and I can tap on New, and I can select Google Doc as one way to do it. The other option I can do is I can also type docs.new, and this will also create a brand new Google Doc in my Google Drive. I'm going to go ahead and title this so I can keep track. So assignment 011, chart into doc. To insert the chart, you're going to tap on the Insert menu, and you're going to see Chart as an option, and then I'm going to pull it from an existing spreadsheet. It's going to pull your most recent spreadsheets first, so you should see. Perfect. There it is. I'm going to tap on Select. Here's the one I want. I'm going to link to the spreadsheet so that when one updates, the other one does as well. And hit the Import button. All done. Rename the last practice as All Done. So double type here. All done. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Google Sheets.